Happy birthday, dearest Sujata. Here's wishing you a very, very special day filled with lots of love, happiness, and supreme well being, most of all. It's a very challenging and an unusual time for each of us, but I do know that you have so much stillness and sthirta within that you will crusade through this time effortlessly, not just for yourself, but for all those around you. So may God keep you safe, may He keep you well, and keep you blessed. You have very, very special creative gifts, and they're all beautiful, whether it's your art, whether it's your dancing, and may He just help you grow that in leaps and bounds. And thank you most of all for being such a lovely fellow seeker on the path, and you throw so much light on some very complex issues, and with such simplicity you are able to help me join the dots and help me clear the blockages that I am facing or I might be facing at that point in time. So thank you for that, and I hope these times go by like really soon, so that we can all celebrate together and remind you how special you are. Till then, just know that we love you, all our prayers are with you, and have a beautiful day and celebrate being Sujata today. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sujata. Wishing you every happiness possible on earth. Good health, happiness, Krishna consciousness. See the Krishna here. Everything lovely and beautiful and wholesome and great and spiritually uplifting and fulfilling. Lots and lots and lots of love.
Hi Suju, a very very happy birthday. I'm just thinking of all the videos you've sent through this year for birthday messages with either flowers or something beautiful around you. So I'm sorry that I haven't got a setting like that. But I'm imagining lots of flowers and beautiful things around you on your special day. I hope you have a really fabulous day. When I think about you, the words elegance and joy and cheerfulness and positive attitude and taking life head on, artist of course, lotuses and horses of course come to mind, and just like a big smile on my face, because that's what you bring always. I remember the first time I met you was a couple years ago, much before this, or maybe just a year before our study group started, and we had a surprise party for Shashi, and she said a friend of mine, Sujata, will be joining, and we was delighted that someone is coming, and it was really nice meeting you then, and then who knew that we'll be on this amazing, beautiful journey together. Your inputs in the meeting are always so heartfelt. You're a consistent practitioner, and that just always brings so much to the discussions because it's from experience. Yeah, there's just so many beautiful things about you that have added value in my life. So thank you and have a lovely day. May Paramatma fill your life with joy and love, and may you find everything that you're looking for within and without with much ease and joy and may the freedom that already defines a lot of your attitude and your personality be more and more your own from within, and may you cruise through life with the humility and simplicity and joy that you always exhibit. Lots of love. I hope we meet soon so you can teach us some of your new dance steps and we can all do a little jig together for being back in one room to discuss our Yoga Sutras and to celebrate the birthdays gone by this whole year. Lots of love.